Hello and welcome. This is a soundtrack called How to Make a Peanut Butter and Mayonnaise Pita Wrap. Or Pita Wraps. Sorry. You peel the pita bread into 2 slices. Or maybe we'll do just one when we have a chance. Call this one Pita Wrap. First, get the peanut butter, go spread it, and you spread some over here. And then after that, you cover up the peanut butter with, and then after that you do the mayonnaise. And then after that, you wrap up the peanut butter pita wrap with mayonnaise and voila! Here is your peanut butter and mayo pita wrap. Enjoy, folks.